The car you're looking at here is called the Vaydor, and it's actually a body kit that's fitted over a Infiniti G35 Coupe, which has been stripped down to the raw chassis to have this body fitted over it. These custom kits are actually built out of Florida starting in 2013 and still built to modern day. Now, these cars are available in both hardtop roadster convertibles and coupe, which both start at $16,000 for the kit. There are some additional options, including some vertical door hinges for $2,300 and some interior kits. If you don't like the Infiniti interior, you can change it out for $5,500 for some basic upholstery, but you can also have some fake leather and real leather for additional cost. Now, the coolest thing about these is that you could even upgrade the engine. They have some options to include a 2JZ engine, an LS-based engine, or even LT engines, and there's even room for superchargers and turbocharger space. Now, these cars are really cool because not only do they weigh 500 to 700 pounds less than the original Infiniti body, depending on which version you get, but they also have a nearly 50-50 weight distribution, which is super cool. These cars have also been featured in all sorts of movies and television shows.